Red Armor, Holding Andre Academia of Greek versus Blue Armor, Ray Simon Pagarita of Black Knights. Please proceed to inspection area, Port C. Inspection team. Fight number 73. Red Armor, Ken John Presbitero of Southern Hawks versus Xavier Agravante of Sicilians, Blue Armor. Again, fight number 73. Fight number 73. Red Armor, Ken John Presbitero of Southern Hawks versus Blue Armor, Xavier Agravante of Sicilians. Proceed to inspection area, Port C. Lost and found Growing Guard. Lost and found Growing Guard. It is my CR. You may claim it. And another found Yellow Belt. Nalinaw na dyan mo ba ngayon, no? Itabiyaan na dyan niyo mapagtanan. Fight number 74, Red Armor, James Brian Andrina of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Chester Uncle of Black Knights. Again, Red Armor, James Brian Andrina of Sicilians versus Chester Uncle of Black Knights in Blue Armor. Please proceed to inspection area, Port C. Sir Christoph Shane. For those Mongsei Duo, please proceed to Port B inspection area and approach Atijera. Mongsei Duo. Mongsei Duo, proceed to Port B and approach Atijera. Last call for Wishri Balaba of Consolacion TKD. Last call of Wishri Balaba of Consolacion TKD. Fight number 75, Red Armor, Lord Philippine Joy Magusala of Southern Oaks versus Blue Armor, Dave Pantonial Taga of Sicilians. Again, fight number 75, Red Armor, Lord Melvin Joy Magusala of Southern Oaks versus Blue Armor, Dave Pantonial Taga of Sicilians. Proceed to Court C, inspection area. Fight number 76, Red Armor, Rai Anthony Fernandez of Sicilians versus Blue Armor, Dante Joash Aray of Consolacion TPD. Again, Red Armor, Rai